If you are getting a black screen while playing Palworld on PC, then you are at the right place. We have got the best ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the minimum system requirements for Palworld. If you're getting black screen while playing Palworld, first of all check if your system meets the minimum requirements for the game. Here are the minimum and recommended requirements for Palworld. Minimum requirements: the game requires a 64-bit processor and operating system. OS: Windows 10 or later. Processor: i5-3570K, 3.4 GHz, 4 core. Memory: 16 GB RAM. Graphics: GeForce GTX 1050. DirectX version 11. Network: broadband internet connection. Storage: 40 GB available space. The internet connection required for multiplayer and SSD required. Recommended requirements: Palworld requires a 64-bit processor and operating system. OS: Windows 10 or later. Processor: i9-9900K, 3.6 GHz, 8 core. Memory: 32 GB RAM. Graphics: GeForce RTX 2070. DirectX version 11. Network: broadband internet connection. Storage: 40 GB available space. You need an internet connection for multiplayer and SSD is required. You can also check the requirements from here. Method 2. Restart the game and your PC. If your PC supports the minimum requirements for playing Palworld and still you are getting a black screen, restart the game. Sometimes a fresh restart can fix minor bugs and glitches that can be responsible for the issue. So exit the game. Then open your task manager using Windows Search. From the Processes tab, right-click on Palworld, select the End Task option. Now exit Task Manager and restart your PC. Now launch the game and check. Method 3. Check the game server status. Next, you can check the game's server status. You can check the game's X handle or via Discord for the server status updates. If there is any server outage, then wait for some time and check again. When the server becomes up and live again, try to launch the game and see. Method 4. Troubleshoot your graphics drivers and run the game on dedicated graphics card. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated. You should always keep them updated to avoid issues while gaming. Here is how to update your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows Search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and click on the Update Driver option. Select the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your system. Then open the app again to check for any updates. If any update is available, download and install them. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like Palworld. Here is how to check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. Although this depends upon your operating system and your specific graphics card. Press Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Expand Display Adapter section in the Device Manager. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So run Palworld with the dedicated graphics card. Method 5. Roll back the graphics drivers. If your graphics driver is too current, then also you can have black screen issues while playing Palworld. Some of the users face this issue. In this case, you can roll back the drivers. For this, open Device Manager and go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab, choose to roll back driver, then follow as shown to roll back driver. You can also install an older version from the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer. Besides, when you start the game, you get a message telling you to update the driver. Just ignore it and press No. The game should start. Method 6. Disable full screen optimization. The next thing you can do is disable full screen optimization. Double-click on this PC and go to the game installation folder. Open the game folder, right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Go to the compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on apply and then on OK. Method 7. Run Steam and the game as administrator. The next thing you can do is run the game as an administrator. The game files may sometimes need administrative privileges to run. So go to the game installation folder and right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Head to the compatibility tab. Check the box for run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then on OK. Repeat the same for Steam. Go to the Steam installation folder, then right-click on the Steam folder and open its properties. Head to the compatibility tab. Check the box for run this program as an administrator and click on apply and then on OK. Now launch Palworld. Method 8. Change launch options. To change the launch options of Palworld, right-click on the game from Steam. Open Properties, go to the General tab, type -DX11 and -DX12 in the launch options and try to launch the game. Method 9. Change Windows compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the game properties as shown before. Then go to Compatibility tab. Check the box for run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Choose a Windows version and click on apply and then on OK. Method 10. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause the game to crash and show you black screen. So verify the integrity of the game files. To do so, head to Steam Library. Right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the Install Files and select the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Once the game is verified, launch the game and check. Method 11. Launch Palworld from the installation folder. Sometimes launching the game from the game launcher can cause the game to crash and show black screen. So launch Palworld from the game installation folder. Open Steam Library and right-click on Palworld. Open its properties. Select Installed Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the game installation folder. Try launching the game from here. Method 12. Update your Windows version. Windows updates can help resolve issues with game performance. Also, updating Windows to the latest version ensures your computer runs with the latest security and performance enhancements. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 13. Disable overlays. Disabling overlays can boost the gaming performance and fix black screen issues. Here we are showing how to disable Steam overlay. Open Steam and click on Library. Find Palworld and right-click on it. Then select its properties. From the General tab, Uncheck the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. Also disable other overlay apps like GeForce Experience, Discord, Nvidia Shadowplay overlay or AMD overlay. Method 14. Allow the game through Windows security. Another cause of the black screen issue on PC could be the firewall interference. So you can check that by allowing the game through firewall and your antivirus program. Here we are showing how to allow the game through Windows security. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with Palworld and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. If the Steam overlay feature is disabled, it can help improve gaming performance. Method 15. Close the unnecessary processes running in the background. Resource hogging programs like streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause black screen while playing games like Palworld. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for Palworld. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. Method 16. Download the latest version of DirectX. Many games, including Palworld, require a specific version of DirectX to run properly. If you have an outdated or incompatible version, it will cause crashing, freezing, or not launching errors. The latest version of DirectX ensures the game's improved performance. This is what you have to do to install DirectX. Search DirectX Runtime Download on Google and open the first result from Microsoft.com. Select the installer language you prefer and click on Download. Wait for the download to finish and then run the installer. Complete the installation and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation completes, restart your PC. Method 17. Install Visual C++ Redistributable. Installing Visual C++ Redistributable can be helpful since it includes a set of libraries that helps the game rely on and function normally. If these libraries are missing or outdated, it leads to black screen while gaming. To install Visual C++ Redistributable, search for Visual C++ Redistributable in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. Download the recently available Visual C++ Redistributable. Ensure you download for the correct architecture like x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file and restart your PC. Method 18. Disable VSync and G-Sync. Usually, G-Sync and VSync helps to run the game with a stable screen, but sometimes they can be the reason why games like Palworld get stuck on the loading screen. So you can disable the G-Sync or VSync as per your system following this guide. Method 19. Increase virtual RAM. Type Advanced System Settings in the Windows search menu and select the top search result. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times of your total available RAM. In the Maximum Size field, enter a value that is 3 times of your total RAM. To check that, open Windows Settings and then from the System tab, select About. Check the RAM. Once you have set the value, click on Set, then OK twice and then restart your system. Method 20. Pause background downloads. It's better to pause or stop other background downloads while launching and playing Palworld, as these downloads can cause black screen issues. Once you finish your gameplay, then you can resume download games or install patch updates. Method 21. Set high performance in Windows power options. You can set the high performance mode for the intense gameplay for better results. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel and click on it from the search result. Set the View by section to Category. Now go to Hardware and Sound and select Power Options. Click on High Performance under Hide Additional Plans. If you cannot find it, click on Show Additional Plans. Restart your PC and then launch Palworld. Method 22. Set the game to high performance from settings. Setting the game to high performance can also help reduce black screen issue while playing games like Palworld. Press the Windows plus I keys to open settings. Click on System and then select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Click on the Browse button and head to Installation folder. Select the game exe and add it. You will now see it here. Click on Options and select High Performance. Select Save to save the changes. Method 23. Contact Palworld support. If nothing works for you, then you can contact the Palworld support. Then state your problem, fill in the details and submit the form. Then follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The 23 methods to fix the black screen issue while playing Palworld. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.